Mr. Nyansagar Coaching Classes YouTube channel. To get more video, please subscribe the channel. Today we discuss about the practice set 3.1 of the chapter Arithmetic Progression of Mathematics First Standard 10. Student, after this we discuss about what is meant by arithmetic progression. If the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, then it is called as the arithmetic progression. Now this constant term is denoted by using t, which is called as the common difference. Now we have to see the first question of this practice set 3.1, which is question number first: which of the following sequence are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. AP असेल तर आपल्याला common difference find करायचा आहे. Now look carefully. I have taken the first question. The solution of this question is. Now here is the sequence is given A 2 4 6 8 dash dash dash. Mean that here the first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, fourth term is 8, and so on. Now we have to first find out the common difference between any two consecutive terms. Mean that first take here, therefore t2 minus t1 is equals. You have to subtract smaller from bigger one. So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Then second one is t3 minus t2 is equals to t3 is 6 minus 4 is equals to also d 2. Therefore next one is t4 minus t3 is equals to 8 minus 6 is equals to also 2. Means when we look carefully, the difference between any two consecutive term is the constant, so that the given sequence is an AP. And the common difference means the difference between any two terms, means that t2 minus t1 is also t, so that d is here 2. So write the answer such way that now here is the difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Therefore the given sequence is in AP. Therefore the given sequence is an AP, and the common difference is D is 2. Can you understand this? Similarly, we can solve the next question. Its solution is, here is t1 is 2, t2 is 5 upon 2, t3 is 3, t4 is 7 upon 2, and so on. Then we have to find out the difference between any two consecutive terms, means that t2 minus t1. t2 is 5 upon 2 minus t1 is 2. Denominator is 1. Then the LCM is 2 1s are 2. Then 5 1s are 5 minus 2 2s are 4. Means that subtraction becomes 1 upon 2. Then we take difference between next terms, means that t3 minus t2. t3 is 3 minus t2 is 5 upon 2. The denominator of 3 is 1. Then the LCM is 2. 2 3s are 6 minus 5 1s are 5 is equals to again 1 upon 2. Then next one is t4 minus t3 is equals to t4 is 7 upon 2 minus t3 is 3. Denominator is 1 is equals to LCM is 2. 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6. Mean that 1 upon 2. Mean that the difference between any two consecutive term is 1 upon 2, which is the constant, so that the given sequence is an AP, and the common difference is 1 upon 2. So we write here, therefore the difference between any two consecutive constant. Then, therefore, the given sequence is an AP, and the common difference D is how much? 1 upon 2. Okay, we take the next question. Now student, I have taken here question number 4. You have to solve the question 3rd at home. Then sub question number 4 is, here is solution. T1 is equals to 0.3, T2 is equals to 0.33, T3 is equals to 0.333 and so on. Student, we take its difference between any two consecutive terms, means that T2 minus T1 is equals to 0.33 minus 0.3 is equals to, look carefully, when we subtract this it becomes 0.03. Can you understand this subtraction? Then T3 minus T2 is equals to, T3 is 0.333 minus T2 is 0.33 is equals to these 3 as it is. Then 3 minus 3 is 0, then 3 minus 3 again 0 and decimal point as it is. When we look carefully, this T1 is 0.3, their difference is 0.03. Then the difference of T3 minus T2 is 0.003, means that the difference between any two consecutive term is not constant. Means that here the difference between any two consecutive term is not constant. Therefore, the given sequence is not an A. Can you understand this? Okay, we take the next questions. We take the next question, question 5 of the first question. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, dash, dash, dash. Here is solution. Let T1 is equals to 0, T2 is equals to minus 4, T3 is equals to minus 8, T4 is equals to minus 12 and so on. Then the difference between any two consecutive term means that T2 minus T1 is equals to, T2 is minus 4, minus 0, it becomes minus 4. Then T3 minus T2, T3 is minus 8, minus T2 is minus 4, then it becomes minus 8, minus minus plus 4, subtraction becomes minus 4. Then T4 minus T3 is equals to, T4 is minus 12, minus T3 is minus 8, it becomes minus 12, minus minus plus 8 is equals to minus 4. When we observe carefully, the difference between any two consecutive term is constant. It is minus 4. So that the given sequence is an AP. Therefore, here we are draw right here the difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP, and the common difference D is equals to how much? Minus 4. Okay, we take the next one is question number 6. Here is solution is, the value of T1 is given minus 1 upon 5, T2 is also minus 1 upon 5, T3 is also minus 1 upon 5 and so on. Means that this is the constant. constant sequence here. So that we subtract T2 minus T1 is equals to T2 is minus 1 upon 5 minus in bracket minus 1 upon 5 is equals to minus 1 upon 5 minus minus plus 1 upon 5 plus and minus becomes how much? 0. Then next one is T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 1 upon 5 minus again T2 is minus 1 upon 5. Then it becomes minus 1 upon 5 minus minus plus 1 upon 5. Again it becomes 0. Means that the difference between two consecutive term is 0. Means that the given sequence is an AP. So here write the difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP and the common difference is how much? D is equals to 0. Then we take the next question, question number 7. Look here. Here is in this solution T1 is 3, T2 is 3 plus root 2, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2, T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. Then we have to subtract T2 minus T1. T2 is this one 3 plus root 2 minus these 3. When we subtract these 3 get cancel, the answer is only root 2. Then next one is T3 minus T2. Look carefully, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus, so we take T2 in bracket here, 3 plus root 2. Student, when we subtract these 3 plus 2 root 2 minus and changing all signs of this bracket, mean that minus 3 and minus root 2. Then student, these 3 get cancel. Plus 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, it becomes only root 2. Mean that is equals to root 2. Similarly, we can find out T4 minus T3. Value of T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus in bracket T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. When we subtract, then the signs of the second equation, second bracket, it changes. Means that minus 3 plus minus minus 2 root 2. These 3 and minus 3 get cancelled. From 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, it becomes again 1 root 2. Means that only root 2. Look here, the difference between any two consecutive term is root 2 is the constant. Means that therefore the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP and the common difference is D is equals to how much? Root 2. Student, there is one more example which is also for your homework. Let's take the question number 2. Write an AP whose first term is A and the common difference is D in each of the following. Student, there are 6 sub questions of this question 2. I have taken only 3 here, mean that first, 4th and 6th you have to solve, remaining at home. Mean that 2nd, 3rd and 5th you have to solve at home. Look carefully, so simple one. One question can be asked in your examination for 1 mark. Look carefully, its solution is. Here is given here, A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 5. Means that T1 is equals to A is equals to how much? 10. Our first term. Then we have to find out the second term by adding the common difference in the first term, means that preceding term. Means that T2 is equals to T1 plus D. T1 is 10 plus D is 5 is equals to how much? 15. Then next one is T3 is equals to T2 plus D. T2 is 15 plus D is 5 is equals to 20. Then we have to find out next term. Also T4 is equals to T3 plus D is equals to 20 plus 5 is equals to 25 and so on and so on. Therefore, here is we have to find out here the required AP, right, and AP. So that the answer is first term is T1 is 10, T2 is 15, 20, 25 dash 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 is the required AP. So simple one. Same type question. You have to solve this also. Solution. Here is A is given minus 1.25 and the common difference is 3. Therefore, T1 means A is equals to minus 1.25. T2 is obtained by adding D in T1. D is minus 1.25 plus 3. Means that you have to subtract minus 1.25 from these 3. This is so simple one. You can directly write also 1 point how much? 73, or taking the subtraction we get the value is 1.75. Now I have to just show that how to subtract it. 3 means that 3.00 minus 1.25. Then the subtraction is, we can take common here, remaining is 2, means that 10. Here is also we take common, here is 10. 10 minus 5 becomes 5. 9 minus 2 becomes 7. Then 2 minus 1 becomes 1, means that 1.75. Okay, then we take the next one is here. T3 is equals to T2 plus D. T2 is 1.75 plus D is how much? 3. This is simple one is, when we adding this we get that 4.75. Then T4 is T3 plus D. T3 is 4.75 plus D is 3 is equals to 4 plus 3 becomes 7 point how much? 75. And so on. You can find out the remaining values also. But we take here only up to 4 terms. Therefore, the answer in full sentence. The given arithmetic progression is, first term is minus 1.25, second one is 1.75, then fourth one is 4.75, then so this is third, this is fourth one is 7.75 and so on. Is the required AP in that arithmetic progression. Then we take the sub-question number 6. Here is A is minus 19, D is minus 4. Its solution is A is minus 19 and D is minus 4. Means that T1 is equals to A is equals to minus 19. T2 is equals to T1 plus D. T1 is minus 19 plus D is minus 4. Means that it becomes minus 19 plus minus 4. Therefore, this T2 is equals to how much? Minus 19 minus 4, it becomes minus 23. Minus 23. Then T3 is equals to T2 plus D. T2 is minus 23 plus D is minus 4. Means that minus 23 minus 4 becomes how much? Minus 27. Then next one, T4 is equals to T3 plus D minus 27 plus minus 4 minus 27 minus 4, it becomes minus 31. Mean that similarly we can find out the next terms also. So the answer in full sentence is answer here is minus 19 minus 23 minus 27 minus 31 is dash 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 is the required AP. Can you understand this? So simple. So remaining example you have to solve at home. Then we take next question. Let's take the next question. Question number 3. Find the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. Now first question is 5 1 minus 3 minus 7 dash dash dash. Now student, the solution of this question is solution. Here the first term is T1 is equals to 5. Second term is T2 is equals to 1. T3 is equals to minus 3. T4 is equals to minus 7 and so on. Now we can find out the common difference here. Common difference is D is equals to the difference between two consecutive terms, means that T2 minus T1. T2 is 1 minus 5. The subtraction is minus 4. Here is next one is D is equals to T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 3 minus T2 is 1 is equals to minus 4. Then next T4 minus T3. T4 is minus 7 minus T3 is minus 3, means that it becomes minus 7 minus minus plus 3. The subtraction becomes minus 4. Means when we observe here, this D is the constant here because the given sequence is an AP. So that write the answer in full sentence. Answer here is the first term. The first term of an AP is A is equals to T1, means that 5, and the common difference D is equals to how much? Minus 4. So simple one. Again take next question. Its solution is, here is T1 is given 0.6, T2 is given 0.9, T3 is 1.2, T4 is 1.5 and so on. Therefore, the difference between any two consecutive terms means that T2 minus T1 is equals to 0.9 minus 0.6. When we subtract it, we get 0.3. Then next one is D is equals to T3 minus T2. T3 is 1.2 minus T2 is 0.9. The subtraction again 0.3. Then next one is T4 minus T2. Sorry, T3. T4 is 1.5 minus 1.2. It becomes 0.3. Here the given sequence is an AP, so that the difference is also common. So we have to write the answer in full sentence. Answer. Now first we have to find out the first term. Therefore, the first term of an AP is A is equals to T1. T1 means 0.6, and the common difference D is equals to 0.3. Okay, we take another remaining two examples. Okay, take the next question. Sub question is third. 127, 135, 143, 151 and so on. Student, solution is, here the first term T1 is 127, T2 is 135, T3 is 143, T4 is 151 and so on. Student, we have to find out its common difference between two consecutive terms, means that T2 minus T1, means that 135 minus 127. When we take subtraction, this subtraction becomes how much? 8. Also here D is T3 minus T2. T3 is 143 minus 135 is equals to also how much? 8. Then next one is D is equals to 1. So T4 minus T3. In that 151 minus 143, it also becomes how much? 8, because the given sequence is an AP. So first we have to find out first term and the common difference. First term is the T1 and the common difference is here A. So that answering full sentence. Answer the common difference and the first term. The first term of an AP is A is equals to 127 and the common difference D is equals to how much? 8. Then the last question of this question third is its solution is here T1 is 1 by 4, T2 is 3 by 4, T3 is 5 by 4 and T4 is given 7 by 4 and so on. Next student, we have to find out its common difference. Means that D is equals to T2 minus T1. T2 is 3 upon 4 minus T1 is 1 upon 4. We take its LCM. LCM as 4. Denominator is same. Subtract its numerator. 3 minus 1. It becomes 2 upon 4. The simplification is 1 upon 2. Then next one is D is equals to T3 minus T2. T3 is 5 upon 4. Minus T2 is 3 upon 4. Again denominator is same, LCM is 4. So subtract its numerator. Subtraction becomes 2 upon 4. Again simplification is 1 upon 2. And then next term is also T4 minus T3. So simple one. T4 is 7 upon 4. 5 upon 4. The LCM is again 4. Subtract its numerator. It becomes 2 upon 4. Having 1 upon 4. Means that the common difference between two consecutive terms is 1 upon 2 and the first term is 1 by 4. This is the answer. You have to write in full sentence. Therefore, the first term of an AP is A is equals to how much? 1 upon 4 and the common difference D is equals to how much? 1 upon 2. Can you understand this exercise? Okay. Thank you very much for watching the video.